Hello everyone. Today in this class we are going to discuss the properties of metals and non-metals. Okay, so first we will discuss the properties of metals. So the first property is they are lustrous, or we can say they are shiny. Okay, they shine. Then the next property is they are ductile. Ductile means they can be converted into a long wire. So example is copper wire used in our homes to pass the electricity. Okay, so that property is called as ductility. Okay, so metals can be converted into a long wire. Example is copper. Then the next property is metals are malleable. Malleable means the metals can be converted into a thin sheet. Okay, so example, if we go in bakery and observe the sweets, okay, we can observe a thin sheet of silver present on some kinds of sweets. Okay, so that property which converts the metal into a thin sheet, okay, so that is called as malleability. Okay, malleability. Then the next property is they are sonorous. Sonorous means they can produce sounds. Then next property is they are good conductor of heat and electricity. Means metal can absorb heat and they can pass electricity through them. They will not create any kind of resistance or disturbance while flowing the electricity through them. Okay, so therefore we use copper wire. Okay, ductility. So copper wire to flow electricity through them. Then the next property is they are silvery gray or golden yellow in colors. Okay, so usually they show gray, silvery gray or golden yellow color, and the examples are gold, silver. Okay, gold, silver, iron, etc. Then the next property is of metals. Okay, so the first property of non-metal is they are non-lustrous, means they will not show uh, any shine. Okay, then they are non-ductile, means they cannot be converted into a long wire. Then next is they are non-malleable, means they cannot be converted into a thin sheets. Okay, then next is they are non-sonorous, means they cannot produce any kind of sound. Then they are bad conductor of heat and electricity, means they will not conduct heat. Okay, or will not allow the pass of electricity through them, or they will create resistance. Okay, then the next property is they shows variety of colors. So color is not fixed, they can show any color. Okay, so the example for non-metals is chlorine, hydrogen, oxygen, etc. Thank you.